everyone. This is Russell Meyer. I'm from Theme Park Insider, and we're here to ride Professor Screamore's Skywinder at Six Flags America. This is the coaster formerly known as Mind Eraser. It's a Vekoma suspended looping coaster. It's got brand new trains, a reprofiled track, all new paint. Looks nice, and I've heard good things that it's really smooth, so let's find out how we do here. We're at the top. We're going to take a nice big dive to the right.
Up and over.
Oh yeah.
And rolling all the way through.
Roll. Yeah. Good air time there. Woo. Corkscrew. All right, there it was. That was Professor Screamore's Skywinder at Six Flags America. And unbuckle, and it'll pop right up. Great.